Yes, I got to replace my trolling motor battery box. Originally, I used scrap lumber I had in the shed, and it was thin wood. I painted it several times, and I thought it would hold up. But the inside held up, but the outside, the thin veneer, peeled and rotted away from the water. So I'm going to replace it. Lesson learned, and hope you gain some information and knowledge from this small project as well. You can see where it's rotting and peeling, the paint, because it was like a veneer thin board, and I braced it up with 2x4s, and the 2x4s held up good. They're not rotten, but the exterior thin wood is rotten. So we're going to replace that. I want to share that with you. So maybe if you building a box for your boat and it's going to be exposed to weather, try to use marine grade plywood or extreme weather plywood. Salt treated. So this is going to hold 3 batteries, and the new box is going to be basically the same size and hold my 3 trolling motor batteries, which will be a 36-volt system. All right. So the only hardware we're going to reuse is the straps down below and the latch. Here you see, speed it up, you see the almost finished product. I've painted it, and it's looking good. So this paint is red, marine grade. I'm changing the color scheme of the boat on the top side. It's going to be red and black. And when I finish doing it all, we'll post a video showing that as well. But for right now, the winch box has been built, and all of this is extreme, according to the manufacturer, extreme weather plywood, 3/4 inch. You could use this or some other type. Hit it in the comments below. Here you can see the box was a little bit off in length with the braces I had, so I got to take the brace off the front floor and put it down to where it will make the battery box flush to the deck, which is no big deal. I got a little overhang on the top this time, so that if the rain blows, it won't blow into my batteries. And also I can put a cushion there too as well on this when we're fishing or just sitting out chilling. Or when I'm cooking, it'll serve as a table, a cooktop, to hold my plates and my food while I'm grilling out on the deck. Yeah, it'll work. See my new door with the vent. Look good on it. I'm so proud. I'm so proud of that door. Man, it came out. All I got to do now is put the finishing trim molding on it. I put a latch on it this time to lock it. Yep. So my gear poles and things are in there, and I'm at the boat ramp at a festival or something, or visiting a new place, I can lock the boat up when I leave. All right. And you can see there the radio. I think I'll paint that blue trim red as well to match up. And there you see the trolling motor computer unit. You see that black box there. And I got the seat turned around. Oh, yeah, the seat turned around. So if I'm fishing or just cooling out, I can sit there and put my feet on the box and stretch out that way. And here you see the ProSmart battery charger. It'll charge 3 batteries at a time. And that's what I use to charge my 3 trolling motor battery system. That's why you see holes in this upper part of the battery box. Those wires go inside there. Once I complete it, put the batteries in and wire it up that way to the 30-volt system, 36-volt system, I mean. Yeah, see the holes right there? The wires will go in there. Plus it gives some ventilation too to the batteries. On a very hot day, it'll give ventilation to those batteries. All right. So we're sort of proud of that. Thanks to God giving me the ability to do these things. All honor and glory go to the Almighty God through His Son Jesus Christ.
You can see, my friends, I've made the adjustment.
Now you see where I put the
for the battery box
flush down on the floor. I'm just moved the brace out a few inches,
tight,
and just to keep it from moving around.
Show all the details.
That's all in shifting, especially when you're hitting waves and things like that. It won't be shaking the batteries all over the place.
How to
sliding the box around.
Use a drill and screw.
Keep everything safe on the deck.
Wood.
That's all.
For real.
They just have small screws on them.
I got to clean up
those braces.
I've been tracking mud.
Like I said, I hope this has been helpful. It's a little dirty because it rained a few days ago, and
the yard
it's wet, a little muddy, even though the yard is grassy in spots. So me stepping on
mats, cardboard in here.
The boat from the ladder.
Keep it clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and
it's a little muddy, but we'll clean that up.
And take the boat out on the lake.
Deck all cleaned up.
Yeah.
And
the only thing I got missing is the hardware to lock it.
We got some other things in store. We're gonna put down some decking.
In a short. Go by the hardware store.
But we'll get your opinion on that when we do.
Latch to go on there.
Yeah.
So it'll hold 3 trolling
motors. We're gonna refurbish it, give it a new look.
As you saw in my previous video.
Before the box was gray and white. This time it's red because my theme gonna be red and black.
It also serves as a seat as well.
Yeah. I think that'll work.
Put a cushion on it. Sometime when I'm in a hurry and I'm fishing, I just sit on it.
Like I say,
but when the wife is with me,
turn the seat around, that box is very sturdy.
Grandkids, I put a cushion on it.
You know, it'll hold about
I got down
person about 300 pounds easy.
It served the purpose real
So I ain't nowhere near that, right?
See, I got room for the seat. Turn the seat around.
So we'll be able to sit on that.
If I turn the seat around, then
wife can sit on it. Grandkids can sit on it.
And it became
ain't got to worry about nobody breaking
while I'm
it.
watching my fishing lines.
You know,
my feet ain't
making
dangling.
it shift.
I can sit my feet up on top of it.
And keep the batteries secure and safe in there.
See, can I get that? Show you right quick.
Yep. You see me turn the seat around.
You can see.
So when I want to open it,
how that could serve.
I can just turn it like that. And it'll open, won't touch the seat. Also again, you can see where the drink holders are back there in the corner. But I'll be sitting there in that chair, or someone could sit there and watch the swimming.
You can fold that down, pull that
fishing poles.
That'll hold your beverage. Or
you got your drink holder there. You can use either one, plus put hooks and sinkers in there.
Sinkers, whatever you want to do.
Little box there.
Put it in there.
And for those that don't know, those are marine boat drink holders.
Canned soda, whatever.
No telling how long that's been. That black drink holder was on the boat when I got it. No telling how long it's been there. Those speakers I added to it.
Show you the versatility.
You know, I got speakers in the cutty. Stereo, 2 speakers down below, 2 speakers on the top side. They'll jump and bump now. No doubt they'll jump and bump.
Very safe. I'll have them bolted down inside the box.
Got to have the music. You know that.
Like again, I got to put the hardware on there.
Like I say.
For real.
Cushion can go in that box.
It out. hold on. Let me tell you this one important fact.
I think I might make one.
Thanks for
Instead
subscribing.
of just
Thanks for
putting
hitting that
one
like
on
button.
there
Thanks
like
for
I've
sharing.
been doing.
We appreciate all
Just
you
make
guys
a
do.
nice professional cushion. Have
Go
it
up
done
on my
professionally.
Patreon
Maybe black.
account. You see it down below.
What y'all
And
think?
hit us
Hit
up
me in
so
the
we can
comment.
bring you some more of
I
these
have a black cushion on that red box,
YouTube
and then my
informational videos.
decking, rubber
Informational
decking,
videos. Yeah.
be soft to the feet.
me
Gonna
out
be
there.
gray
Whatever you
and
give
red.
is appreciated.
Dark gray and red.
Okay?
What do you think?
It's
Or
not
light
to make
gray
us
and
rich,
red.
it's just to help us
What do you think?
with some expenses
What color?
to
Gray
make the
and light
video.
gray and red, or dark gray and
We
red?
appreciate all you guys do.
Red stripes.
And we'll keep you in our prayers. And you
You already got the red and black on the cutty.
The sun coming out.
Man,
Beautiful.
that white spot up there, the sun.
It's up there somewhere.
It's been a cloudy, overcast day.
Beautiful sun.
Started to go to the lake today.
That big bright spot.
But I changed my mind to finish up this project.
It's a beautiful day. So let us clean
with
up
the
our
battery
mess.
trolling motor box.
Get ready. Go in the house. Get me some coffee.
And the sun trying to come out.
And kiss and hug the madam.
It's kind of cloudy and overcast.
Ready to hit the lake for a
So
safe
we're about
journey.
10 minutes from the lake, Gaston Lake. Thanks for watching. I'm headed out on the lake. Take a break. Just relaxing, just to be out on the lake, even if I'm not fishing. Peace. See you next time.